Hello friends, here Sheetal with you. So guys, today is World Suicide Prevention Day. So guys, I want to share some words with you that I am going to share. So guys, today is the day which should be prevent. Today is the day which is preventing a biggest wrong step which is taken by many people in this world. So let us move on next slide. So I could share about my words and thinking which was coming in my mind. So I want to share. Let us move. So history, guys. I am starting with history. So this Suicide Prevention Day is observed since 2003, and it is organized many events regarding this organized by IASP. So since 2003, IASP organizes many events every on this day. So co-sponsored of this is WHO World Health Organization and WFMH World Federation of Mental Health. Guys, next is a problem to solve this. Guys, with this is too much taking slide, and I will share two lines on these four solving methods. So guys, instilling hope is first thing which you all and I will always keep in mind. So guys, instilling hope always whenever you start something to do, just keep one hope in mind. Guys, if you keep hope about that dream, then definitely that dream will be with you one day. So if you want to reach up to your dream, then definitely you will need to keep hope for your dream always in your mind. Do not give up hope. Just keep on work on your dream. Keep on action on your dream, because action works well. Okay. So next is, guys, find positivity around you. Guys, finding positivity around you is the solution to be distanceful from negativity. Guys, if things which are around you, you think you get positivity from those things, then you are very positive person and you are not connected with negativity at all. So guys, in evening I usually watch in the sky and revise the words that I have kept in mind for always. And even in morning as well, whenever I see toward the sun, then words arise in my mind that I can also write and I can also do. The thing which I need to keep in mind is punctuality, because sun and the all the natural things are too punctual, guys. Birds are punctual. They get up early in the morning and they chirp around our home. And trees, guys, they are responsible to release oxygen for us, and they do it without thinking anything. They can't think, they are, but they are doing. And similarly, stars, guys, whenever you look in the sky, you will listen some unlistenable words from stars. This, I mean, they will not say to you, but still you will observing positive words from stars, that we are in the sky, we are twinkling. And similarly you can also twinkle like us, but in this physical world you will have to do action on your dream. Thus, these are some ways to uh, get positivity around you, guys. Third is distribute happiness, which is my favorite thing, guys. Distributing happiness is my favorite thing, because I love be living with happiness and sharing happiness with others. So you just need to share your happy moment with others. So share happy moment with other and share positivity with other as well, so people will think that he is very positive person and we will live with him. Then definitely they will feel happiness in presence of you. So in your presence, I mean. So to making people happy, you just need to be natural and to be honest one, guys. Do not think wrong about others. And because if you want to find fault, then find fault in yourself. Do not find fault in others, because unsuccessful people always find fault in others, but successful people always find fault in themselves and try to mm, uh, try to correct them, rectify them. So now just we are moving on my fourth way of solving this suicide prevention. So guys, we unite to each other. Guys, it is also 2019's theme of World Suicide Prevention Day. So guys, it is also same theme for 2020. So guys, it means it is not theme. I have just changed the words. The theme is working together to prevent suicide. Guys, if you work in team, then definitely you will work well, and your task will definitely be achieved much efficiently. uh, for example, I am taking my study example. Guys, whenever application is approached to develop, then only one person is not included in that application project. Many one, database administrative and that application designer, document designer, many one, and application programmer, application inspection person. The application development is not done singly. It is go through many phase and many models, which if you will find about this, you can find on net. But I am just giving an intro that working in team is the biggest way to achieve things efficiently. So let us move on God's words, guys. So God's words are, guys, I have taken these words from Lord Krishna's words. So guys, worrying has become your habit. That's why you are unhappy. Guys, worrying, put aside this worrying, because it will make you unhappy. And the second is, diamond cannot be polished without friction. Similarly, guys, we face failure before success, guys, because if we are facing failure, then we are learning, we are getting ahead, we are taking a step ahead towards our dream. And the third is, look what you did rather than how long you will have to do. Guys, really, if you think that what we have done, then definitely you will get, we have done a lot and we can't let it waste. And so if we want to make it more productive, then we will have to do more without giving up and without taking wrong decision, especially suicide, which many people take, but we will never take because we are very positive. And the second is let us come on the next slide, which is, guys, face past. Yes, you will have to face past, then you will aware with your present that I did this mistake, now I will not do this mistake, I will improve this fault and definitely try to avoid this fault again, and handle your present. Guys, the biggest key to open door of success, just focus on your present. Guys, if you are focusing on your present, then you are preparing for future. Guys, preparing future, shaping future is depends on present. Just work on present, then definitely everything will go well. And guys, the last, thank you to everyone. And guys, if you want to share this awareness with other, and I will share last message with you, guys, do not give up. I know many failure will come in your path, then seeing those failure as steps, as milestone, those milestone which lead you to your dream. And do not take wrong step, just focus on right path and straight forward. So guys, now I am ending this video here, and thank you everyone to listen my word, and I will again shoot any video on such events. I love speaking and sharing my views with others. So bye bye and Jai Hind to all, namaste to all, and good afternoon as well, and assalamu alaikum as well.